it is good to me, and it was meant for you to live and be free, to live and be free. Walk the path, take some time to laugh. Maybe it's been a while, but even try to smile, even try to smile. 'Cause today is only here and ends tomorrow. There's no point living a life that's full of regret and drowned in sorrow. Lift your head up high and open your eyes. You can choose to be happy. If you try, you might be surprised. Choices that you make can be revised. Have no fear for the time you're here. And if you don't know where to start, then follow your heart, follow your heart. And run, run fast. Learn from things that have passed. And know that everything's okay. Just make that choice today. Make your choice today. 'Cause today is only